I made my heating system smart with Tado. The installation is super easy, because basically all actions are already familiar to you. Furthermore, the app is going to guide you step by step. In my case, I would replace the old programmer with the Tado receiver. First of all, switch off the fuse of your heating system. Now select your old programmer in the app to get the accurate instructions for that model. Open your programmer as shown in the app. The provided stickers will help you to connect everything and will make confusion impossible. Label and highlight the cable with them. After you've mounted your Tado to the wall, plug the marked cables into the terminals with the same name. Switch on the fuse and connect everything with the push of a button. Lastly, place the Tado temperature sensor close to your favorite spot in the room. Either mount or simply stick it on with the strips. That's it. If you still have any questions, the Tado support is always there for you. Tado makes home your comfort zone.